Do you like gingerbread? I know, I love gingerbread. Watch this. I've got some butter that we're creaming. Easy. Once it's creamed down, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this sugar in the raw kind of thing, right? This type of sugar to cream it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add 1 egg at a time for this batter. This is a very unusual but simple gingerbread. Now, inside of the flour, I've got allspice, baking soda, ginger, not Mary Ann, ginger, a little salt, a little cinnamon, and some fresh grated nutmeg. You with me so far? Now, sift that all together. Then, that's my dry ingredients. My wet ingredients now, I'm going to scrape the bowl down. I'm going to add a heaping cup of Guinness beer and a heaping cup of molasses. Then I'm going to add the dry ingredients in there. 350 degrees for the gingerbread. Put the Guinness, put the molasses in, okay, after the eggs and the sugar in the raw cream, then that flour mixture. Make sure you scrape down the sides, and look, you'll have a more runnier type batter, okay? And those granules you're seeing there is a lot from the sugar, but good color for a gingerbread. 350 degrees, bake that in the old oven for about 25 minutes. And then let me show you. You'll see how dense it gets from that, all those sugars. Look at that, huh? What I like to do is I just take a little bit of piece like this for the kids. A little square like that. It's very moist. Let it cool a little bit. Oh, yeah, look at that, babe, huh? And then what I do is I just take, you can either just melt some vanilla ice cream, or what I do is made a beautiful creme anglaise and drizzle it like sort of like that. A little bit of mint. Bam! Bam! And there you have it, a little sugar gingerbread. Unbelievable.